Your customer success or support teams are often the only interaction clients have with your business. So you want to make sure that any support tickets are prioritized accordingly. In this video, I'll run you through how to add sentiment analysis to any support tickets and then automatically prioritize those tickets based off that sentiment. Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm the owner of NC South. So we empower your business by implementing the best no-code solutions for your needs. If anything in this video piques your interest, or you'd just like to find out more about no-code tools or how we can get you up and running with a solution that really gets your business going, feel free to head over to our website. We'll have a link in the description below. And you can book a free, no obligation discovery call with us. We have a few go-to no-code tools that we use, and in this video we'll highlight three of them. So it's Make, Eden AI, and SmartSuite. So to put our solution together, first of all, we are watching for emails, any emails that would come to our support inbox. So Make have other modules for the likes of Zendesk and other ticketing systems. So you could potentially swap out this first bit with one of those. But in our case, so we're just watching for incoming emails, and I've set it up to watch for emails that come to our info inbox. Once we receive those emails, we plug it into Eden AI to do the sentiment analysis. And the analysis is run on the subject of the email and the content. There's a whole list of providers available. I've only picked one of them for this example. Once the sentiment analysis is run over the incoming email, we jump over to SmartSuite and we create a new record, or the actual ticket in our ticketing system. So I won't go into how all of this is hooked up. There's plenty of content online on how to connect to SmartSuite and the like. The only thing we need to know at this stage is I've got a solution, which is our support solution, and we going to our tickets table. We're also pulling that subject into a summary and the content into a description. The part where the sentiment comes in, so we have a field in SmartSuite for the sentiment. So the sentiment analysis that's run on the previous module will then be put into here and sent over to SmartSuite. So in SmartSuite, we have that support solution with the tickets table. With a few fields here. Obviously, you can add more in here, but just for this demo, that ticket summary, so that's the email subject, the description is the content, the status that we'll set, also the priority and the sentiment. We're getting those, or we've set up for those in here. But there's quite a bit of automation we've set up within SmartSuite. So to access that, you can go from the solution drop-down into your automations. So we'll start with the low priority one. So what happens on this one is whenever we get a new record created where the sentiment is positive, we will update that record with a low priority and just set the status to new. For our medium priority, it's pretty similar. So we again check that the sentiment is neutral, and then we'll set the priority to medium and just put it on hold. The bit that most of the work happens is when you get a high priority ticket, or when you set it to high priority. So that's whenever you get any sentiment that's negative. So you want to know about that straight away and take some action. So in our case, we are this. So we get the sentiment from Make that this one's negative. We update the record where we set the priority to high, we set the status to urgent, and we assign it, in this case, to myself. But we also want to notify a person. So this could be a support manager, whoever makes sense, to send them an email and a notification. So we just flick them a quick note, say, hey, there's a high priority ticket. This thing needs attention. Tell them which ticket. And also in the SmartSuite notifications, we'll send them a quick notification so they are aware of that ticket. So now that we've got everything hooked up, it's time to see the magic happen. So I've lined up 3 fake emails just to give you the idea. One where we're trying to get just a neutral sentiment, one where we want a positive outcome, and one where we want the negative sentiment. So I'll fire off the first one, which should just be the neutral one, and we'll wait for that to run through make. We'll trigger that, so we should see it pop up in here soon. And there we go. So it's created a new ticket. As you've seen, the sentiment is neutral. It's set the priority to medium, and it's put that ticket on hold. So next, we'll try the positive sentiment. We'll fire that one through and get it to run through make. I think receiving these in the inbox is the stuff that takes the longest, but anyway, so that's running through make, and there we go. New one, it's positive. The automation in SmartSuite runs, sets it to medium, and puts it, the one down here. It's flipped around. It's because I've got my sorting order from high priority to low. So it made it positive, set the priority to low, just made it new. So now we can run the negative one, and this is where a lot of that automation within SmartSuite will trigger as well. So we'll send that one through and wait for that to hit the inbox. And once that's hit the inbox, we can run through make. So you can see sentiment is negative, it sets the priority to high, makes it urgent. And we can also see in our notification center that there's a notification that's popped up. So we can have a look at that. It takes us straight to the ticket. Obviously quite negative. The details of the email. Yeah, so that's something that obviously would need attention straight away. And it has gone through, set a priority, made it urgent, and it's notified the appropriate person to take action. There will also be an email in the inbox of this person, and so they could take action from there. And there you go. It's a relatively straightforward way to add sentiment analysis to your support tickets and prioritize them accordingly. If you've enjoyed any of this, feel free to like and share this video around, and we'd also appreciate if you follow our channel, as we'll be adding more content in the future. Also, as we've mentioned earlier in the video, if you want to find out more about no-code and how we could implement any of this for your business, head over to our website and book that free call. Until next time, take care.